doing a comparison from Assetto Corsa to the real thing, man. So let's get into it, man. Is it similar? I don't know, but we gonna find out. And don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Don't forget to like it. Boom. Y'all saw the title. Y'all saw the thumbnail. Y'all see what's going on. I ain't even gonna waste too much time with y'all. We better just get right into it. I'm on Evergreen on Assetto Corsa in an E36, as y'all can see. And I also own an E36, and I've been on Evergreen in real life. So we're about to just do a comparison. Okay. This car is a higher power car, like it got a V8, you know what I mean? So it's a little higher horsepower, but it's a game, you know what I mean? It won't be perfect. But before we get into it, yo, my e-brake don't work. But yo, I'm gonna just let y'all know I'm gonna be narrating the video because I know it's pretty boring just to sit here and like watch me drift and shit. But yeah, I'm just doing a quick run. So far. You know, y'all about to see me in my IRL car in a second. So just watch for that. And just to make it clear too, I'm on my 3rd event ever. Like I'm still learning, just like y'all, man. So it's a day-by-day process, you feel me? But we outside. We still outside. Not the best run, but y'all get the idea. Y'all get the idea. Y'all see what's going on, man. First lap of the day on the oval. Let's go. My car is pretty stock for the most part. It has an arcade chips tune, whatever the fuck you want to say. It has a Sunbitch Racing e-brake extension. Welded diff on Condor bushings. CNC 71 angle kit. Max BP rods. Don't buy them. You see how bouncy it is. But I would recommend getting an eBay radiator with a fan. I put it to a switch with a temp gauge that you see right there by the shifter. I do want to change up my exhaust setup. I don't know what I want to do yet though. It does sound nice regardless. It's a Cadenate with 2 chain bumps. Woo! That was nice. That was good. It's so slick though. I like it. It's so nice. It's so nice. Hold up though, cause if you're this far in my video, at least subscribe to your boy and please hit the like, man. But yo, I'm not the best driver, yo, so don't be expecting some crazy runs out of me. But I can drive. Don't get me started. I could drive. Better than most of y'all. What are you talking about? But yeah, I can still, you feel me, knock down some runs and shit, you know, I can still do my little thing, do my little tandems. Yeah. Little better, but I know I'm not on the comp line. I don't know the competition line. I don't know the competition line for Evergreen. I'm sorry. Get this second running, yo. That shit was different though. Like as I throttle out, it angles out more. Like I just felt they want to kick out more. You know what I mean? It was different. It was nice though. That was nice. Yeah, I didn't mention it before, but yeah, this was my first time in the rain, as I mentioned in the caption. But yeah, there goes my e-brake sitting on me. It doesn't work until the car's moving. I don't know, it's weird. And if I'm being honest, I could have used a better car to compare it to real life, you know, but it's whatever. You know, it's a video game, it can only get so good, you know, like I said. But it is, regardless, still pretty on point. It is pretty on point. But if I'm not bugging off of the GoPro, I can tell the track is a little wider in real life than it is in-game. I don't know. I might be bugging. I don't know. Regardless, it's hard to even do a one-to-one fucking replica of anything. It can only get so good, you know what I mean? Shout out to whoever made this track, man. For real. I don't know why I haven't said it earlier, but shout out to him, man. Cause he, without whoever made the, I can't even talk, but without this man, I would not even be doing this good in real life. You know what I mean? I would not be able to practice as good and do as good. This shit is so lit, bro. I swear to God. I'm even talking about it right now. Like, this shit, bro. It's so lit, bro. So lit, bro. I swear. I'm about to read some of y'all comments right now. Josh Chiru. He asked, what cars you drifted in Assetto Corsa to drift like that in real life. I mean, bro, honestly, just drive. Just drive any car. Yo, shout out to Zen Starwalker. He said for your first time you did insanely well. Just goes to show video games aren't a mindless waste of time, and this is solid proof. Yo, he said it, not me. Let's move on to the next shit, bro. Seek to Destroy asked, bro, what steps of progression would you recommend for someone to get good in sim VR? I mean, I don't have a VR, but like I said earlier, bro, just honestly, just drive, bro. Just fill it out on sim, bro. And once you get your real car in real life, bro, just do the same thing. Fill that car out, cause as you peep on Assetto, every single car is different. So your car is gonna be different to whatever you feel on Assetto. You know what I mean? So just literally get whatever you can down on this wheel and just try and transfer that to real life, man. And that's all I could really say. There's not really no sauce or much that I could, you know what I mean? Like it's all in the seat time, and this can give you some seat time. In conclusion to the video, is it similar? Yes, but from my learning experience, sim driving will give you the muscle memory and the understanding you need to get the job done. The rest is on you and your car setup. You feel me? Because sim, if you ask me, it just helps build the consistency you sometimes can't get in real life, just because of like time or car problems or whatever. Because even on a fucking track day, you really only get like 4 or 5 hours of seat time depending where you at. So you really just gotta make the best of it, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, I recommend anybody to get a sim. If anybody's wanting to learn different driving skills or just wanting to try something new, just cop it and practice. It only makes it easier when you're trying to drive your actual car. Like I'm proof, you know what I mean? Like it just always gets better. And at the end of the day, it's about how much work you put in. How bad do you want it? Are you willing to spend all the money it takes to do this? How many hours on sim you gonna put? Do you want to beat up your actual car? You know what I mean? Ask these questions to yourself, man. And don't forget to show some love, man. Go and like, subscribe, man. Content coming soon. We outside.